Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys 17 sites that offer freestyle stock photos that you could use for your blog and social media. So if you want to learn more about these sites and where you could get high quality photos to help you stand out, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget also to join my free masterclass if you're interested in learning how to make passive income selling art printables. I will leave the link below. And guys, don't forget also to like and comment. So let's go ahead and get started. So using style stock photos is just a great way to stand among your competitors. And the nice thing about all these beautiful sites is that they offer high resolution, high quality photos that you could use across your blog and social media platforms. And I'm going to share with you guys what each site offers. That way there's no confusion. On top of that, keep in mind that using these type of photos are really great, but they're also really important when you use them on Instagram and on Pinterest the most. That's where people look at visual. Visual matters in those two platforms. So having amazing photos is going to help you stand amongst other people. It's going to help you get more click-through rate. It's going to help you get more repins. It's going to help you get more saves and hopefully turn some of those visitors into actual customers. So make sure you take advantage of these sites. If you feel like you already receive a lot of emails, what I recommend is setting up an email account, like a separate one, that you only use for these sites or sites like these. That way you don't get so many emails on your regular email. Just create a separate one just for photos or create a separate one just for promotions, etc. So that's what I would recommend so you don't get so overwhelmed if you don't want to subscribe to so many sites. So let's go ahead through each one and we'll talk about them. So this is the first one. It's called Atelier21.com, and they offer exclusive freebies set every single month. You do have to sign up for their email list, but their images are really beautiful. As you guys could see some examples right here. And you just sign up for their email list and you get freebies every single month. I mean, you can't beat that and you can use them. So it's really nice. So this is the first site. The second site is called SCStockshop.com. And they also offer images. As you can see, as soon as you log into their site, you get 20 free images instantly. So once again, all you have to do is join their list and you get these 20 automatically for free. And then I'm sure that every month when they have new ones, you'll get additional ones as well. So they'll be emailing you with additional ones every single month. So it's really nice to get free ones that you could just start using right away. The third website is called Her Creative Studio. Oops, I'm sorry. Let me push this one over here. Her Creative Studio. Excuse me. And they do style stock images, and they're really pretty. They have shop lifestyle images. They have shop style desktop, which are really cute. And then they have tech mockups. These are the ones I normally use for my own website. And they offer 8 free images for creative bloggers, obviously for Instagrams, small business, etc. So if you want the free images, you just go here, put your name, your last name, your email address, and then you'll receive some every single month. So it's really nice. And her pictures are amazing. So I do recommend at least signing up. If you're going to do a few of them, just look at the quality of the photo. And if you're happy with it, then just do that one. But this one is really nice. The next website I wanted to talk about is HelenInBetween. And it's the same thing. If you subscribe to their email list, you get really beautiful images that you could start using on your website. And you just go in here and sign up. They do, all of these websites do offer. So for this one, you get 21 free stock photos, which is really nice. That's a huge package. You just put your email and you get them. So by the time you go through each of these sites, you might have over 100 free stock images that you could use for the rest of the year. So keep that in mind. But you just log in, you just once the little pop-up comes up, you just sign up, and that's all you have to do. The next website is called dabblesanddabbles.com. And they also send you, well, it's right here. They give you 8 free images for, style desktop photos basically. So these are the images here that you will get for free by joining their email list. So that's all you have to do is to subscribe to their email list. The next website is called aprettier.web.com. They also do freestyle desktop photos for you to download. So these are the images here that you will get for free. They're very pretty. And you just click on the actual post and it will take you to sign up to their email list. The next site is called Wonderlast.com. They've been around for a long time. I have some of their photos from prior before. And they also offer 15 free stock photos. I mean, that's just crazy. You get all of these beautiful photos. You just click here, sign up for their email, and you get them right away. The next website is called Femme Pretty Style Stock Library.com. And you just go right here, free stock photos, to join their email list and start receiving free images from them. So it's pretty nice. It's pretty unique. You just put your email here and you'll receive free stock photos for your blog and business. So it's really cool. The next website, this is one of my favorite designers. Her name is Alli Drawing, and she has beautiful images. I used a lot of them for my website currently right now. She has a beautiful feed on Instagram as well if you want to follow her. And it's the same thing. You will go here. She has a membership site that you could join, but you could get free photos right here. So you could download a bundle of gorgeous feminine style stock photos for your business or blog. Her photos are beautiful, guys. I would definitely just click here, follow the steps, which is enrolling in her email, and you get 20 free photos. And look how pretty they are. Very pretty. So join today. The next website is called CreateHerStock.com. And the same thing goes. You just join their email list. Make sure you read their license usage. Some of them have very particular use of terms, so make sure that you read that first. But you'll get free images as well. The next website is called HelenInBetween, and you get 15 free stock photos. So that's a lot of photos. And it's the same thing. You just click on the post and sign up for their free images. The next one is called Makeup Savvy, and you get 10 free style stock images, and they're really pretty, as you guys could see. You could use these for Instagram, for Facebook, for Pinterest. Very easy to use. The next website is called goldenberry.blogspot.com, and they also offer free style stock photography. So you would just go ahead and sign up for their email list, and you would just click right here. The next website is called thekennedycurate.com, and for this one, you just download the stock bundle here. You click and you sign up, and you get all these beautiful photos as well. The next website is called Otilianet, and they offer 15 free style stock photos. They send them directly, obviously, to your email. And look at all these beautiful images that you will get. The next one after that is called Louise Henry. When you sign up for her email, you get 10 free stock photos for creative entrepreneurs. Her images, I have used them as well. She has beautiful images. So these are all the ones that you would get. And the last one is called Plum's Pixel Love. And you just sign up for the emails and you get all these beautiful mock-ups and beautiful images from her website. So these are all free images. I mean, by the time you sign up, you should have maybe close to 100, but you should have a lot of them basically. And these are free images that you can start using right away. So make sure you join. What I'm going to do to make it easier for everyone, I'm going to take the links of each of these sites and I'm going to leave them in a comment below this video. And I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3 and then just name them down all the way to 17 to separate them. That way you guys have the entire list. So make sure you check out the list below. If you have any questions about using style stock photos, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know if you like videos like this so I could start creating more free resources that you guys could use. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.